OpenAI just released an upgrade to ChatGPT called Canvas. In last week's announcement that really got undershadowed. Meta is now dubbing Reels with real-time AI. Also, OpenAI worth doubles after 6.68 billion funding by tech giants. So let's dive in the first story. So OpenAI has just released Canvas, a new interface for working with ChatGPT on writing and coding projects that go beyond simple chat. So it basically is a separate code editor for all of your code work, an entirely new interface where you can work collaboratively with ChatGPT, tell him to edit, code parts of your code, optimize it, debug it, give suggestions, all that. So as a coder myself, the coding community, we all took help from ChatGPT for our code, but that was just little snippets of code here and there. But this Canvas is made for bigger understanding. With Canvas, ChatGPT can better understand the context of what you're trying to accomplish. You can highlight specific sections to indicate exactly what you want ChatGPT to focus on, like a copy editor or a code reviewer. So there are many writing shortcuts, include suggested edits, and you can adjust the length, and these are like all text-based shortcuts for Canvas, but there are also some coding related shortcuts. They can review your code for you. So once you have all of your code in Canvas, you can choose a snippet or the whole code and then tell ChatGPT to review it for you, and it will give a review based on how the code was written, or whether to optimize it or change it or alter it, and how to do it. So we trained the GPT-4 to collaborate as a creative partner. The model knows when to open a canvas, make targeted edits, and fully rewrite. It also understands broader context to provide precise feedback and suggestions. So all in all, coding would improve drastically and become faster. Moving on, there's a story from last week which really got underplayed and I think has really a big of importance. So Meta is now dubbing Reels, real-time dubbing of Reels from Facebook or Instagram. So what it will do is real-time lip syncing, also real-time dubbing.
Mi lengua materna es el español, pero fíjate, ahora también puedo hablar inglés a través del doblaje automático de IA. Mis labios se sincronizan con la traducción y todo. Es increíble. Qué cool poder conectar con personas y audiencias que hablen inglés. My native language is Spanish, but check it out. Now I can also speak English through AI automatic dubbing. My lips are synchronized with the translation and everything. It's amazing how cool to be able to connect with people and audiences who speak English.
So this just changes how we look at the influencer level scope. Content gets no boundaries now. So a person from Latin America can easily get famous in North America. An influencer in India can also get famous in Africa. So now content in itself is not bounded by language or borders or nations. Any influencer can have a potential audience of the whole globe. But on the other hand, there's the scary part as well. If we can translate real time and lip sync in real time, it can also fake translate and wrongly translate and create rumors and create lip syncs at the same time. So this is a big challenge, and I don't know how AI tools or AI marketing agencies would deal with these, because let's say there's a news journalist saying something in his own native language and giving accurate news gets viral, but the viral part has wrong or misleading information. So now how are you gonna tackle that? Because that would then mislead a lot of people in a lot of different parts of the world and would create rumors and hoaxes which you can't really trace back to the original source, because where is the original source? Everything is now AI generated. Meta says that AI translation tool will automatically translate the audios of Reels so you can enjoy content that's been recorded in different languages. The tool uses automatic dubbing and lip syncing to simulate the speaker's voice in another language and sync their lips to match. Moving on, OpenAI valuation nearly doubles to 157 billion after 6.6 billion of funding. This really hits a blow to people who were saying OpenAI is now falling apart and is going down the hill financially, not doing well, and is laying off a lot of people. And there were a lot of rumors back in the days that were coming up now, a couple of days before. OpenAI secured $6.6 billion funding on a $157 million valuation to scale operations and maintain its position at the forefront of artificial intelligence research. We aim to make advanced intelligence a wide, accessible resource, OpenAI wrote in a blog post Wednesday. OpenAI did not disclose the name of the investors, but the Wall Street Journal reported Thrive Capital led the investment with contributions from key players including Microsoft, SoftBank, and Nvidia. As well as all of these companies, Apple was reportedly in talks to invest in OpenAI but did not move forward. OpenAI's post-money valuation is up more than 80% from $86 billion last year, making it one of the highest valued companies globally.